Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing a polynomial by a monomial. Answering the question, what is the quotient of 25x raised to 5 y raised to 3 minus 15x raised to 3 y raised to 7 and 5x squared y raised to 2. So, our first step in answering this question is first we have to translate this into an algebraic expression. And since we use the word quotient, we will use division as our operation, dividing our polynomial and our monomial. So, it will be translated as 25x raised to 5 y raised to 3 minus 15x raised to 3 y raised to 7 divided by x raised to 2 y raised to 2. This is our algebraic expression. So, to simplify this algebraic expression, let's convert this to fraction form. Rewriting it to fraction form, it will be 25 x raised to 5 y raised to 3 minus 15 x raised to 3 y raised to 7 will be our numerator, and our denominator is our monomial 5x squared y squared. Next, let's divide our polynomial by our monomial. And in simplifying this, we will divide each term of our polynomial by our monomial. So we will have 25 x raised to 5 y raised to 3 divided by 5 x squared y squared minus 15 x raised to 3 y raised to 7 divided by 5x squared y squared. Okay, so they will be we will be dividing each term by 5x squared y squared. Okay, now let's simplify each term. So in simplifying each term, we will apply the rules in dividing monomials, wherein we divide the coefficient by the coefficient, variables by variables, using the quotient rule. So let's start first with our first term. So here we have 25 divided by 5. That will be 5. Then x raised to 5 divided by x squared. So copy the variable x and subtract the exponents. So 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So that will be the exponent of x. Next, let's proceed to the variable y. Y raised to 3 divided by y raised to 2. So copy the variable y and then subtract the exponent. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So it will be y raised to 1 or just simply y. So their quotient will be 5x raised to 3 y raised to 1. Okay, next let's proceed to our second term. So for our second term, we have negative 15 x raised to 3 y raised to 7 all over 5x squared y raised to 2. So let's simplify. So negative 15 divided by 5, that will give us negative 3. Then let's proceed to our variable x raised to 3 divided by x raised to 2. So copy the variable x and subtract the exponent. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Next, y raised to 7 divided by y raised to 2. So we copy the variable y and then subtract the exponent. So 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the exponent of y is 5. Their quotient is negative 3x y raised to 5. And if we will put them together, our quotient for this polynomial and monomial will be 5x raised to 3y minus 3x y raised to 5. And that will be our final answer. Alright, ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.